Hi everyone, my name is Swati and welcome to Bali. So right now we are in Canggu, Bali. This is towards the southeast side of Bali, and this particular area is known for cafes and pubs and day clubs and all. So we'll be exploring some of that. We'll also be exploring a little bit of Seminyak. So if you want to tag along, then come on.
I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go.
We have now come to our first cafe of the day. It's called Milk and Madu, and this was just like 10 minutes walk from our place. So this is in Canggu itself, and we've come here for some breakfast, actually some coffee, really needed. And also all the shops here are so cute. There's so many boutiques.
Yeah, I really hope you love me too. I'm gonna tell you that I need you. I need you every day.
No exaggeration whatsoever. The food was just brilliant. I really do get like why Bali is known for cafes and all, and I feel like my expectation right now is here. The food was really good. If you're in Canggu, you can definitely come to this place. Amazing. So now we're just going to walk around, explore a little bit of Canggu, and then we are going to head to
I
Seminyak.
wanna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too.
Check this out, a random house, and also outside every house or shop you can see these offerings. And one very interesting thing is that I saw cigarettes in offerings. Booked a Gojek to go to Seminyak. Gojek is the other app, like they have Grab and Gojek. So it's a little cheaper. It's like Uber, Ola in India. Let's go. Hi. Yeah.
100 times a day. You'll get tired of my lips, and that's how much they wanna kiss you and caress you and love you till my dying day. You're the only one I need, no one else. I tell your friends, I tell you.
Vidya, are you in paradise?
Yes, this is my heaven version of home
we came to
decor.
this store which is called Kaban, and we came here just for her. She has a boho style, and this is honestly a boho paradise.
Yeah,
if you are
it's
into home decor.
beautiful. Yeah.
And it's also worth mentioning that everything is quite pricey.
Yeah, I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me
We
too.
have now come to Kaya Aya Square to check out the flea market here, and I took a Grab. My ride costed me just 2,000 idea, which is less than 10 Indian rupees. Another flea market that you should definitely check out is the Seminyak flea market, and here you will find home decors to clothing pieces to jewelry. Let me take you and show you around. Out of all the stores here, I really like this store. I mean, check this out. So what are you selling today?
I'm selling this one, darling.
Okay, show me.
Okay, darling. But now, this one.
price.
Chalo price.
Chalo price.
Shahrukan price.
Okay, so what do you have?
We have bracelet, necklace from the Balinese style, darling.
Okay, and you have these really cute. What is this table mat?
No, this one, placement.
Oh,
Something,
okay.
something for it.
What's the price for this?
This one, 150.
Got these 3 coasters which are so cute for 100,000, which is I guess around 500 Indian rupees. After all that walking around, it would be an understatement to say that we have built quite an appetite. So for lunch, we have come to a very special place. It's called Varung. This one particularly is Maid's Varung, M-A-D-S Varung. So Varung is a place where they serve Indonesian food, and I think it's like a thali kind of a concept where you have to pick and choose like what you want. And this particular place is like just walking distance from the place where we're staying. So we've come here. We came here last night. It was closed. We really like the decor of this place, so we thought we'll come here for lunch as well. So let's see. Lunch was amazing and the sun is setting. I feel like right now is a really good time to go to a day club. So in Canggu there are a lot of day clubs, and there's a one that is really popular. It's called Finn's Day Club. It's supposed to be the world's best day club. So we're planning to go there. It's not very far from the place where we're staying. It's I think only about half a kilometer. So I'll see you guys there. I won't be taking my camera, so please excuse the quality here and after. That was amazing. If you're looking to party in Canggu, highly recommend this place. It's known as the world's best beach club, and it was actually really good. I haven't been to very many beach clubs, but this was really good. Now again, kind of feeling hungry, so I guess before everything shuts, we'll go and find something to eat.
I'm gonna show you that I love you 100 times a day.
And now we have come to another Varung. This one's called Varung Local, and it's like a proper Varung. And the concept of Varung is that you go and you order whatever you want, and they put like little of everything of whatever you order, and then you pay accordingly. I was really looking forward to this particular Varung, so pretty excited about it. Bon appetit! What you got, Vidya?
Got some digore, vegetable fritters, then masala eggs, some corn, garlic cracker, chili sauce.
Great! And I've got coconut water, and she's got ice.
I hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too.
This is the morning next day, and also our last day here in Canggu. And if you ask me, I loved it here in Canggu. It's got such a fun, relaxed, laid-back kind of vibe, and also quite high on party scene. So if that's your kind of thing, then definitely consider staying in Canggu for a day or two. It's totally worth it. Now today our plan is to go to Yogyakarta, that is on the Java island, and that will be a part of a different video of course. But for now we've come for breakfast. Trust me when I say this, breakfast scene in Bali, from what we have seen so far, it's great. It's really good. In fact, this morning I woke up so excited to have coffee. The coffee is so good. So we've come to this cafe called Milu by Nook. It's a very beautiful cafe with like beautiful interiors. Let me take.
I'm gonna tell you that I need you. I need you every day. You'll get weary of my touch. That's how much I'm gonna tell you that I want you. I wanna let you know. Oh, you're the only one for me. No one.
Food is here, coffee is here. With that, that's all about it from Canggu. Canggu was amazing, and right now I am at the airport. We're going to Java, we're going to Yogyakarta, and also we almost missed our flight. it was quite a journey to get to the airport. By the way, the traffic scene in Bali is really bad, so in case you have to catch a flight or go somewhere, then make sure that you calculate that. So yeah, with that, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now next up, we are going to Yogyakarta, and also then we are going to come back to Bali. So stay tuned, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're new here, and I'll see you all very soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.